Ever wondered what happens when two of the densest objects in the universe crash into each other? Well, let's break it down. Neutron stars are the leftover cores of massive stars that exploded as supernovae. They're incredibly small, only about 20 kilometers wide, but they pack more mass than the sun. That means just a sugar cube-sized piece of a neutron star would weigh about 1 billion tons. Now, imagine two of these extreme objects orbiting each other in a cosmic dance. Over millions of years, they spiral closer due to gravitational waves, ripples in spacetime predicted by Einstein. When they finally collide, the explosion, known as a kilonova, is so powerful that it can be seen across the universe. This event releases an insane amount of energy, producing gamma-ray bursts, the brightest explosions in space. It also creates shock waves that shake the very fabric of spacetime. But here's where it gets even crazier. These collisions are responsible for forming heavy elements like gold, platinum, and uranium. Yes, the gold in your jewelry might have come from a neutron star crash billions of years ago. The aftermath? Scientists think the two stars either merge into a supermassive neutron star or collapse into a black hole. And thanks to modern observatories like LIGO and Virgo, we can actually detect the gravitational waves from these collisions, giving us a new way to study the universe. If you love mind-blowing facts, make sure to like this video, subscribe for more cosmic discoveries, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from the universe.